It's the 2nd of February and my new year officially starting now. Happy New Year, guys. So my girl and I are going to B&M to get a shoe rack. Yeah, we are going to get a shoe rack. No, let's get a shoe rack. I'm going to get a rack, like clothing rack, so stick and stay with us.
So I know what we're doing.
So for your information, we are in the tower. It's a nice place in Portsmouth. So yeah, we are going on a tour. So yeah.
Hey, just to get this.
Very nice time, and we are going somewhere else, close by actually, off street. Yeah, so we are going to another location. So stick and stay with us.